In this video, I'll deploy a bridge which will allow a Windows client to connect to an Orchesto bucket as though it were a standard network drive. The bridge is essentially two Docker images deployed via Docker Compose. One of the images contains the Samba server, which allows Windows to connect using its native SMB protocol. The other Docker image contains S3FS, which will translate the file system operations of the Samba server to the S3 protocol used by Orchesto. A configuration file is used to specify which Orchesto instance to connect to, which bucket should be made available, and the credentials to be used by the connecting Windows client. With the bridge deployed, I can now connect to and work with the bucket in Windows like I would a typical network drive. Here I'm creating a new Office document in the bucket, which I can work with as though it were on my local disk. This document is now available in Orchesto, regardless of whether the user is accessing Orchesto directly or via the bridge. It is also possible to configure the bridge to use an LDAP server to verify the credentials of the connecting clients. In this configuration, I specify which LDAP server should be used and which group of users should be allowed to connect. Once again, I'm able to access Orchesto via the bridge using a Windows client. I've enabled encryption for the bucket being used, so these files and folders I'm now copying are being encrypted by Orchesto before being stored, and are automatically decrypted when the Windows client requests them again. By using the tools shown in this video, I can allow legacy applications which access the file system directly to connect to Orchesto and have their data stored in either a public cloud, a private cloud, or a mixture of both.